discourse in Goa right now presently is about changing the existing government of the BJP. During the peak of the COVID period, where we saw complete mismanagement at the Goa Medical College and across all the primary health centers, it was only Aam Aadmi Party volunteers and their leaders who were spearheading, providing relief to the people of Goa. Our volunteers were outside the district hospital across Goa at the GMC providing meals during the afternoon and during the evening because all the restaurants were closed. And there was no relief whatsoever provided by the government of Goa, led by the BJP. The oximeters, which were costing around 250 or 400 rupees, were procured by the government at around 2,500. Such was the extent of the scam done by the present BJP government. People of Goa have seen through it, and now we have an alternative model of Aam Aadmi Party, a model of governance which works for the people of Goa. In 2022 elections, which is just almost a month away, there are mainly four alternatives for people of Goa. One is of the BJP. If you recall, BJP started initially calling itself a party with a difference. Now, I would suggest they change their name from Bharatiya Janata Party to Bhrashtachari Janata Party. It is completely all scams of the BJP. Be it of the jobs, where jobs are being sold at a price. A candidate who procures 28 marks for a constable exam, the same candidate gets 99 marks. This is nothing but pure scam done by the BJP. All road contracts, all jobs, be it at the GMC at the cost of the health of the Goan life, they are making money out of it. So this is one option for people of Goa to consider is the BJP, which is Bhrashtachari Janata Party, nothing else. Second is the Congress Party. Congress, we have seen across Goa, across the nation, they have betrayed the votes of the voters. In fact, at one of the meetings at MAPSA, their own leader said, BJP has got enough money to buy a Congress leader. That itself is a statement which means a lot that people of Goa are wise, that they won't betray their vote. They won't allow their vote to be betrayed by the Congress Party. I appeal to people of Goa, do not trust the Congress Party, they'll again betray their vote. Third option is MGP and TMC, which has been just floated. They have parachuted from West Bengal just 3 months before the elections. And I'm sure people will not exercise the franchise for TMC BJP because they have got hardly any ground presence. In fact, their leaders who joined initially have deserted the party because they have no plan, no vision for people of